it's not that this ailment or this disease is only in India. I think the bad management is a global story. So it's not that only in India the corporate governance is bad, or only in the Indian companies the directors, the management in some cases are not good. It's a global story. It's everywhere. So if the if the management wait a minute, Satya, Surya, wait. If the management was to be good in all the cases, then where is the need for independent director? Then where is the need for listen? Then where is the need for the corporate governance? See, unfortunately, the problem is, what we do. We do not understand the real intent behind a law. What is good corporate governance? Let's understand. Good corporate governance is what? Doing what you are supposed to be doing in business is good corporate governance. So long as you are doing what you are supposed to be doing in business, it's a good corporate governance. So what you are supposed to be doing in business, as a management, as a board, as the top management, as the promoter, your responsibility is to ensure that your company creates value. Your company creates value for the entire economy. If you are doing it, then there is no need for you to have anything by way of corporate governance. Since companies do not do that, and that is why the governments have to bring the law. And unfortunately, we people, and I'm telling you, we professionals also have a role to play in it. We people conveniently decide that whatever is included in the law, that much is to be done. And if I am doing that much, that means I am corporate, I am complying with the corporate governance. No. Corporate, what the LODR would say, what the SEBI regulations would say, what the Companies Act would say, all what the accounting standards would say, that is all minimum. That is all minimum you have to do. And why they have to say it to you? Because you are not doing it. If you were doing it, then they would not say it actually. So see, that is where, Surya, we have to understand, and that is what we professionals, we chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, we really need to take bigger responsibility in ensuring that the corporate governance happens. And I can tell you, the day in this country, all the chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretaries and lawyers, the day all of them put together decide that enough is enough, this country will have now the good corporate governance from now on. And I can tell you, you will not need any law after that to ensure the corporate governance. Because the moment you start behaving properly, you need police. Why? You need police because you are not behaving properly. If you are behaving properly, police is not required. So that is how it is.